Right guys, I am going to attempt to do some like etching or carving or whatever you want to call it on this pint glass. Now, I've not done it before. I have watched many videos, but other than that, nothing. Here we go. Probably won't be the best, but I've got some water here. I mean, I don't mind how it looks. I don't know if you can see that, but there is clear cutting on it. Okay, let's continue. Right. Yep, so there is, I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but there is a clear etch that is on all of that. Oh, I've missed a bit. Geez, I've missed a couple of bits actually. I'll see if I can zoom in when I do the next bit, when I edit the video. Actually. Right, there we go. Ah, bugger! I caught that with my hand. Okay, we shall need to continue with that just now. Damn it. Hey ho. Oh my goodness. I think I need a cloth. Have I got a cloth in here? Hey. Sorry, I've got a sponge. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I think that looks pretty good. Just the lettering to go. Right, let's go on with the lettering. I'm trying not to touch the paper on the inside of it this time.
Usually it's something that moves.
Right, here we go. Now, I don't know how this is going to look, so I'm going to take this black bit. I'm just going to set it on the other now. I'm not entirely sure if you're going to be able to see it, but I will bring it up to the camera. So you will see this at the same time I see it. Oh wow. That is amazing.
So then, why?
I am super chuffed with that. Wow. That has got to be the sweetest pint glass. I'm very happy with that. Nice. Yee! Love yous. Take it easy. Like and subscribe for more of these. That's amazing. Thanks guys, I do appreciate you watching.